Welcome back to our channel. Are you feeling overwhelmed by dust bunnies and grime? Are you dreaming of a sparkling clean home but worried about the cost of professional cleaning? Well, worry not. Today, we're looking into steamer prices. Imagine this: no more back-breaking scrubbing, no more harsh chemicals, just the magic of steam cleaning transforming your home. But let's be honest, the question on everyone's mind is, how much does it cost? Before diving into steamer prices, let's remember why steam cleaning is a worthy investment: deep clean. Steam reaches deep into fibers, removing dirt and bacteria traditional methods miss. Sanitization: high temperature steam kills dust mites, mold spores, and other harmful microorganisms. Reduced allergens: ideal for allergy sufferers by minimizing dust and allergens. Versatile cleaning: cleans carpets, upholstery, mattresses, tile grout, and even some hard surfaces. All right, let's talk steamer prices. The price depends on several factors: size of the area. Cleaning a room costs less than a whole house. Surface type: carpets generally have higher prices than upholstery or hard surfaces. Extra services: stain removal or pet odor treatment add to the cost. Your location: prices vary based on local competition. Company reputation: experienced companies might charge more. Here's a ballpark estimate: 70 Pavado $150 for a single room carpet cleaning. $150 to $250 for a whole house carpet cleaning. $50 to $100 for upholstery, cleaning sofa, chair, etc. $25 to $50 for tile and grout cleaning. Remember, these are just estimates. Get quotes from different companies to compare steamer prices and services. Budget-friendly tips for savvy steam cleaning: shop around. Compare quotes before making a decision. Look for off-season discounts. Many companies offer deals during slower periods. Bundle services: combining carpet and upholstery cleaning might save you money. DIY some prep work: vacuuming and moving furniture saves cleaning time and cost. Check for coupons or special offers. Companies often advertise online or on social media. Ready to transform your home with the magic of steam cleaning? Start your journey today with Limpier Cleaning Services. Until next time, bye.